Hi, my name is Brian and I'm the 3D print creator, and I just received some great news from Creality. After the first Laser Falcon they launched some time ago, they are now bringing the Creality Laser Falcon 2, a 22 watt powerful laser machine that can run at a speed of 25,000 millimeters per minute, which is pretty insane. The Falcon 2 also has some new innovations on board that are really groundbreaking for diode laser machines, like the new integrated air assist that is controllable via software like Lightburn. The new integrated safety and monitoring system that not only keeps an eye on the stability of the machine to stop the laser when you bump into it, for example, but it also keeps an eye on the object you are engraving to see if it catches fire by accident. And also it monitors the laser's lenses to warn you when a lens gets dirty and needs to be cleaned so that it won't break. And if that's not enough, the monitoring system also keeps an eye on the airflow that goes through the integrated air assist to see if enough air is pumped out to keep the cuts tight and clean. Also, for the first time I've seen in a diode laser, this machine has limit switches at all possible corners. So there are 2 switches for the x-axis and 2 switches for the y-axis. Never again you will hear that stepper motor bounce against the end of the frame as if it's going to kill your machine. Now, for what I've seen in the specifications at this moment, this really is a revolutionary new laser engraver and laser cutter that redefines the safety and workability of diode lasers, and I'm really looking forward to test this machine as soon as one is available. And the great news is, one of these machines is already heading my way for a full review and some projects I'm going to do with it. So stay tuned to this channel for more information about the Creality Laser Falcon 2, which will be available from the 14th of February.